Hi, this is Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning new recipes as one. Today I'm going to make quick frozen pizzas. I'm going to take garlic bread and make pepperoni pizza on top. It's going to be similar to the flatbread Sicilian pizza I made before. And a lot of times you can get garlic bread like this, which is really reasonable. This is only $3. This one is $3 too. And you can just cut these in slices and make little miniature pizza and then just freeze it for another day. Like, of course you can eat it then, but if you have time and you want to do stuff with your kids, just make frozen pizza. Like the other recipe I just uploaded, the Brooklyn bread pizza. Here's the frozen pizza I made out of the other ones. I made a whole bunch of pizza up with the Brooklyn bread. You can see it on my YouTube page. I just uploaded that, the one before this one, but here's that Brooklyn bread. So I have it in the freezer bag, and this is ready to freeze. So if you're home on on a rainy day, make pizzas up, put them in a freezer bag and freeze it. I froze some pizza a couple weeks ago from one of my recipes, and I opened it up Sunday and I ate it, and it was actually better than the day I cooked it. So wherever you live, try to get garlic bread that's already put together, and like I said, just slice it up, and you can actually top it any way you want. If you don't want to do it, just get bread and make garlic butter, or buy it and put it on here. But this is an easy way to make frozen pizza, and it's a lot better than the frozen pizza you find in the store. But you can see the quality of this. I'm going to actually freeze this, and I'll use it another day. Like, if I don't use it all at once, I'll open the bag one day and take two out, microwave it, eat it, and keep the other thing. But this is a good thing for like a rainy day, or a day it's so hot you want to stay inside, or you want to do something with your kids. I think cooking with kids is really special, and it's a bonding experience, and you have fun. So you can take garlic bread and do whatever you want. So let's get started. All right, Facebook and YouTube, you can see I took the one garlic bread out of the plastic wrap, and it has really good quality. So you can see like it's wrapped in plastic. Now you're going to take your chef knife and cut these. I'm going to try to cut this in 3 pieces, but if you want it, you could cut it into little squares. It's up to you. And after that, we're going to just put it in the pan, and we're going to warm it up. And then when we take these out, we're going to just top them, and we either put them in the pan to cook, or we're going to put it in the microwave at 20 seconds at a time. And then after that, we'll just put it in freezer bags, and that and the Brooklyn bread pizza will all freeze together. And then there's pizza for another time. Why go out and buy frozen pizza when you can make your own? Alright, YouTube and Facebook, you can see how I sliced them up. Maybe I could have made them a little bit bigger, but we're going to actually put these in the pan and just warm the garlic bread. So since I'm working with 2 batches, I'll just make one up for now. Alright, so you can see that I have the cover on there, and I'm just going to warm up this garlic bread. If you think this is enough, you can actually save this for another day, but basically you can take loaves of garlic bread and make your own pizza. And like I said, when I unthawed the other garlic bread pizza I made couple weeks ago, it tasted so good on a Sunday. I really didn't feel like going to the store or ordering pizza and have to worry about the door. So I unthawed it, threw it in the microwave, and it was actually better than in the day I made it. So keep your pan on medium, and just warm it to you think it's best. All stoves are different, all pans are different, but look at that quality right there. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, thank you to Film Advance we're done. So I got the bread to the quality I want. If you really wanted to, you could flip this over on the other side, but you can see the quality of that bread. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, we're back. You can see the nice quality of the garlic bread, and I have the pizza sauce. The thing I'm going to do is, since this is pizza week, and it can also go into next week, I'm only going to do this one and make frozen pizzas out of these strips. I'm going to leave this garlic bread for tomorrow or the next day and show you another variation of pizza. But like I said, take as many loaves as you want. Make them up, top them anyway. You can make pesto pizza, barbecue chicken. You can do whatever you want, but this is the concept basically. So this one here, we're just going to take pizza sauce and we're going to spread it evenly on all the pieces. Put on as much as you want, and then after that we'll top it with cheese and pepperoni. Alright, Facebook and YouTube, so we have the sauce on there. And like I said, you can put on as much as you want or as little as you want. If you want, you could also use spaghetti sauce. I found out that some spaghetti sauce makes good pizza sauce as well. Especially Rayo sauce is really good. Alright, Facebook and YouTube, so I just put the cheese on there. And like I said, Pizza Blend makes a really good, Pizza Blend is a really good choice for making the pizza. So, like I said, put on as much as you want or as little as you want. That's the thing about cooking, like just customize it to the way you want. Now I'm gonna get pepperoni, and then I'm gonna make this up. But and then after that, I'll put it in a freezer Ziploc bag. All right, YouTube and Facebook. Now we're gonna just take the pepperoni and just put it on there. So you just want to put the pepperoni on there. If you want, leave it plain. Add roasted tomatoes. But this will make for a really good pepperoni pizza strips in the future. Alright, so we got those pizza strips, and we're going to just put them back in the pan, and we're going to rewarm them with heat. Alright, so you can see that the strips are in there. You could have, like I said, you could have cut the pieces bigger if you wanted bigger pieces. But now you're going to put that cover on and just use the heat and the steam to melt the cheese and warm the pepperoni. Alright, Facebook and YouTube, so we're going to do that, and then after that we're just going to plate it for a second, and then after that we'll just throw it in freezer bags. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, so that's done. I just took it out of the pan with the cover, and you can see how the cheese molded to the garlic bread. That pepperoni is nice and greasy. I'm not saying this is the healthiest thing to eat, but you can see it. But that's how you make frozen pizza out of garlic bread. So now we just have to put that in a Ziploc bag and then freeze it, and you can use it another time. So this is a great thing, like I said, on a rainy day or a day it's so hot you don't want to go outside. And it's something you could do with your kids, or if your kids are older and they could use the stove, you can teach them how to do this and have fun. And with pizza, you know, there's tons of different types and variations, so you can make many different pizzas. Why buy frozen pizza when you can make your own? Alright, YouTube, so there's your pizza strips, pepperoni and cheese in a plastic bag. So like I said, I have that, and let me get the other ones from the other cook. I have the flatbreads. So look at this now, YouTube and Facebook. I got the flatbreads, the sandwiches, and I got the pizza strips. So now I'm going to freeze this, and I'll pick one day on a Sunday or during the week when I'm lazy and I don't want to cook. cook, and I don't feel like dealing with fast food or delivery. So this is what I mean. Like, we just need to use our imagination and create. I'm just an amateur cook. I have a lot of creativity and ideas, and I just want to share it with you. If you have any ideas, comment in my posts. I mean, in the description, comment below. But we're taking this journey together. But look at this. Now this would be frozen, and you could use it another day. Dansoy out. Peace. Love you.